Hello everyone, hopefully you all are doing fine, and in this tutorial I'm going to explain it to you about callback function. So callback function simply is a function which is passed as an argument to other function is known as a callback function. Okay, so it might take you a bit of time to understand this since it's a bit tricky and there are some things, but I will try my best to explain things in small parts so that you can easily understand this. First of all, let us write new thing is promo. Okay, so I should have written promo code or just code. Okay, promo code. You can write whatever you want. So this is the way I've already written a function for you, and if I now run this, you see I get his age is 25. Okay, his code discount is 25. So I have written a function with a new promo that the promo code is 25. Now thing is that let's write now it as a callback function. So let us copy and paste this. Okay, let us now just copy, okay, and paste this. Now instead of promo code, now what I will do is I will write a callback function, callback func, and now what I will do is I will not do anything here. I will just write let promo code equals to 25, and what I will do is inside this block of code I will write callback sync and write promo code. Okay, so this is how you see you write a callback function, that you write this callback function as a parameter and you kind of like invoke it inside other function, and the other thing which is promo code you also pass in this as a parameter. Instead of doing this, you pass it inside as a parameter in a callback function which you pass in as a parameter in your function. Okay, so now let us see how you can invoke this function. So new promo, now what you need to do is you need to write function, and here you need to declare promo code as a parameter. And so this is how, and if you just console log, okay, let me write the string interpolation way, my promo code is dollar promo code, and let us now run this. Let's see what we have. Okay, so you see you get this, and there is another easier way. What if we wrote it in the ES6 way? So this is the way of ES5 and it pretty much works. Many people still preferred this and there is nothing wrong. Okay, but in the next tutorial or in future tutorials we'll talk about function expression and function declaration. So as of now you see this new promo, you declared the function, you wrote a function and passed in a callback function. Okay, and then instead of declaring a parameter in the function, you wrote this as promo code equals to 25, and you invoke this function here, you invoke this function here with this variable which is declared inside the function. Then what you did is you wrote new promo and passed in function as an argument with the promo code as a parameter. Then what you did is you wrote this console log my promo code is, you just printed out this value in the console. Now let us do the ES6 way, const new promo equals to. So when we are I will discuss tutorials about asynchronous JavaScript. So when I discuss tutorials about JavaScript, asynchronous JavaScript, we will talk about callbacks again, and then you'll probably understand why callback is so much popular. And there are many other things like callback hell, this or that. You don't need to worry about these things now, okay? So new promo and pass in a callback func, okay? Now, okay, new promo 2, let's make it 2 so you can have both the functions. And let us comment this out. And now similarly let promo code equals 25, and here call back func promo code. And now if we run this new promo 2, and now here you are seeing that we are passing this function as an argument, and yeah, this is also a function. We'll talk about anonymous function, and these topics you need to revise over and over again, because if you revise these topics you can understand these more clearly. So now I would pass promo code, and let us now run console log. The promo code is $. So you see that how clean this syntax is, and probably you can also, no, you can't do like this. Okay, so I could have written it in a much clearer way, and I will show it now. Node script JS, yeah, the promo code is 25. So you see here I passed in this function, while invoking this I passed in another function as an argument. And so if you want, you can do like this. So callback functions are very important in the future. So it's simply a function which is passed on as an argument to other function is a callback function, simple. Okay, so here what you did is in the parameter I passed in a callback function. Okay, then I declared a variable inside the function, and then I invoked the function which I passed in as a parameter in my function, and there is another parameter which I passed while invoking the function is the variable which I declared. Then in this function which I declared first, I invoked this function with a fat arrow function, okay, and passed in another function as an argument. The function which I passed in as an argument is here a fat arrow function which is suitable to the ES6 syntax, and then I declared promo code as a variable. If you even wrote value here, it would have been fine. And then I printed this, and when I run this script, I got this. So that is very much it, and you guys perhaps need time to understand this. Initially, this thing might go over your head, and I understand that. So that's very much it, and see you in the next tutorial where we will talk about for each method. Thank you.